Hey, it's Megan. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are doing DIY Valentine's Day decor hacks and gifts. But the cool thing is a lot of the decor and the gifts really can be used year round or incorporated to give gifts year round. All that said, we're starting right now. For the past few years, Dollar Tree has carried these super large heart bowls for Valentine's Day. This is a really cool gift hack, in my personal opinion. Just take some poster board, trace out your heart, and then cut out your heart. Optional, you can take some of their sticker poster letters and spray paint them white. That way, you're making your heart look like one of the conversation hearts or one of the candy hearts. Then Walmart, not Dollar Tree, sells super long, super large dowel rods for less than $1. I'm using the orange color or the 3/8 of an inch. It's only 62 cents. And paint that white. Then take your dowel rod and use duct tape or some type of stronghold tape to tape it to your poster board. And then you can fill your heart up with whatever your heart desires. You just fill it up with gifts. I'm making these for my kids, and this one's for my son who loves the Crayola bath paint. They actually sell at Dollar Tree too. So tape that off just using regular Scotch tape. Use some of Dollar Tree's clear wrap, and also tape that around the bottom using regular plain old Scotch tape or the off-brand Scotch tape. And now we have a really cute sucker. Great way to up your gift presentation game. Optional, go back with some of Dollar Tree's ribbon or any ribbon you have on hand and add a little bow at the bottom just to give that extra snazziness factor. And I also made one in pink by just spray painting it with prickly pear, a Rust-Oleum spray paint for my daughter, and that one just says XOXO. So super cute suckers. I really love the way this turned out. I think a big part of giving a gift is the presentation, and this just has that wow factor. For almost every holiday or season, Dollar Tree has these felt stickers, which are super awesome for hacking up basic items and making them look spectacular. So I love these brown topped containers from Dollar Tree. They're food safe, airtight, and all you gotta do is just take some of their felt stickers, put them on the containers, add some bows or ribbon if you want to, and then Dollar Tree has 1,000,005 options for non-candy or candy things to stuff into your containers. I'm giving this to someone who's not big on candy, but I love that these are just felt stickers, so they can easily be pulled off and the containers are useful. Same with the bows and ribbon, hot glue will easily peel off. And we're on to the next idea, where Dollar Tree carries so many little terracotta pots or planter pots. I'm using these come 2 to a pack. You can leave it as is, or I painted mine white because it's more of a neutral color, but you could totally paint it pink and then use one of their felt stickers. Once again, put your felt sticker on the planter and same thing, it's a felt sticker. You can easily pull it off. And then like me, I have a snake plant that's having little pups pop up. Separated my snake plant, and I'm gonna give this to someone who is just a total plant lover. I think this is a great, simple idea. But another idea for your fellow plant lover is Dollar Tree's plastic gift baskets, like this red one, which is great as is, or you can spray paint it using candy pink or whatever color pink or white you want. And then this is a great way to just gift a plant that's a little bit larger. I would love to get this gift. I would love to get either one of the last gifts. I would prefer to get a plant than flowers any day, and I just think it makes it look more pretty. And if you go to like Walmart or something where you have the already wrapped in pink or whatever stuff, it's a lot more expensive. Now, I love a good Dollar Tree DIY doormat. All you need to do is grab one of their welcome mats. It doesn't matter which one, as long as it's gray, flip it over on the back, and then every season Dollar Tree will carry some type of large cutout for Christmas, Valentine's Day, fall, all the holidays pretty much. They're usually mildly tacky, or I just don't care for a lot of glitter. So in my mind, not what I would really want. Just put that in the middle of your rug and then spray paint it. This works best with a highly pigmented spray paint. I'm using Prickly Pear by Rust-Oleum, one thick coat, and then just pull up your love sign. And that's it. You got yourself a really nice doormat. But by the way, if it bothers you how the spray paint kind of blends in with the letters, it's not a defined line, you can take some of Dollar Tree's puff paint, which works extremely surprisingly well on their doormats, and outline or color in your rug. And that's what I did. And this doormat looks great layered up, like with this buffalo check doormat, which is also a Dollar Tree DIY, or a different style. My all-time favorite Dollar Tree DIY doormat with tassels looks great both ways. But another idea for a doormat, if you get the black style, so the black color doormat, flip it over on the back, it's totally black. One of the easiest ways to personalize or customize a doormat. Get some of their poster letters and you can do your favorite Bible verse, lyrics to a song, your favorite quote. It really, the possibilities are endless. Spray paint it just the same. And then if the spray paint seeped under the sticker letters a little bit, a basic old Sharpie will fix that right up for you. Super simple and super easy. But if you're wanting to put this outside and you don't want it to blow away, Dollar Tree's shelf liners works really well, and you get a little bit more than if you were to buy Dollar Tree's rug liners to keep your doormat in place. I use this outside. So this is the one I actually have at my front door. And I like the shelf liners because they're kind of more dense than the regular rug liners. And this next one is another idea that can be used for decor or to give as a gift. Just grab some of Dollar Tree's little square wooden pieces. They come in a 6-pack, and then you can paint them or spray paint them any color you want. I prefer spray painting, and I chose gold, so it's more of a neutral color. So I can leave them out, when Valentine's Day is over and it doesn't look like I just have random pink coasters laying out. But your choice, your DIY, you do what you want. Then you just need one of Dollar Tree's chalk paint markers. You can customize them, hearts, write love, and then to make them into coasters, just snatch up some of Dollar Tree's cork backing, put it on the back of your wood pieces, and boom, you have yourself some really cute coasters, super simple to make. I always get asked, hey Megan, what do you do with all your DIYs? Well, if I don't give them away, a lot of times I will repurpose them. So like this is a DIY from Christmas where I just took one of Dollar Tree's burner covers, one of their candlesticks, and you can use any candlestick, it doesn't matter what kind, some permanent glue or stronghold glue. I prefer gel super glue. Combine all that together, spray painted, and then we had a super nice Christmas centerpiece. Well, now that Christmas is over, all we have to do is take that apart because besides the tray itself that's glued together, nothing was permanent. And I spray painted it white, but you could spray paint it pink or whatever you want. I just chose white because I feel like it'll go with spring and summer too. Then one of Dollar Tree's smaller wreath form packs, they come in a 2-pack, and snatch up some florals that are Valentine's-ish-y day or, just your favorite colors. It really doesn't matter. And put your florals around the wreath form. But the cool thing is there is no hot glue here, y'all. We are not hot gluing anything down. We are just twisting the wired pieces all the way around the wreath form. And the lamb's ear I'm using is from Walmart. You get 2 pieces for $2 or $1 each, however you want to look at that. And that's it. Then we just got to put our glass vase, which is also from Dollar Tree, and a candle back on our tray. And now we have a super nice centerpiece for a Valentine's Day dinner, or it can be used for spring and summer just the same. I think this is really pretty, and what I'll probably do after Valentine's Day is just change the flowers out to white flowers. And we're on to the next one, where all you need is one of Dollar Tree's glass jars, preferably the kind with the metal top. And then spray paint your favorite color. I'm using candy pink. I think it's a really cute Valentine's Day color. Optional, add some of the felt stickers on the top. They come 100 to a pack and I had so many left over, so why not? And then Dollar Tree sells all kinds of candy. So just pick your favorite candy or the person you're giving to their favorite candy, and then you can snazz it up with adding some of Dollar Tree's ribbon and a little bow at the top. This makes a super cute gift. But here's another idea. Now I'm giving this away, but an idea if you wanted to decorate with this. This is a cake tray, another DIY I've made from Dollar Tree. I spray painted pink. And I think this would look really cute in the kitchen. Once again, if you're someone who likes to decorate your kitchen for Valentine's Day, full disclosure, honestly, I really don't decorate for Valentine's Day, I can't get into it. I'll do a rug, maybe a wreath, but I don't go all out. After Christmas, I like my house to rest. And this next one, so easy. You can use any pillow. Now, this is a DIY Dollar Tree pillow I've made. I've showed it so many times, so I don't want to repeat that. But I will have a video linked in the description so you can check it out if you want to see how to make one too. And then some of Dollar Tree's felt hearts. Low heat hot glue gun, hot glue them down, and you have a super cute Valentine's Day pillow. But here's the cool thing. Use low heat, and this can easily be pulled off after Valentine's Day, so then you just have a normal pillow again. And once again, you can use any pillow for that. But here's another idea. Dollar Tree also sells these fabric bags. You can use the same white felt hearts, or they also have a larger size. They come in an 8 count. They have pink on them. Hot glue those, I would say high temp or high heat glue gun to your bag. And then if you want to, optional, add a ribbon at the top. And this makes a really cute tote bag. But what I really love about this is not only is it a cute tote bag, I think these bags are great to use as gift bags as well. So it's kind of like double duty, 2-time in here. And it's something that they can reuse, but it's also the bag you use to gift. I think you got it. Next, you just need some of these cut out hearts from Dollar Tree. Print out any music sheets, or you could use a book if you wanted to, and trace your hearts out onto the paper. Then cut those out and just use a regular old basic glue stick to attach your paper to the hearts. Then Dollar Tree sells colorful wooden beads. You can use those, that's what I did. String them up. You can use any type of twine. I like to use their wire because it's really thin, but it's sturdy to stab through the hole, but it's still bendable, so it doesn't feel or look like it's wire. And then spray paint them. But use a high quality spray paint. If you're gonna spray paint their colorful beads, make sure you're not using Walmart's like 97-cent spray paint. Use a high quality spray paint. I prefer Rust-Oleum Heirloom White or White Heirloom. I can't remember which one it is right now, but it's kind of an off-white, and this does work really well. So like 1 thick coat or 1.5 coats, however you want to look at that, full coverage, and you really can't tell that they were highly colored beads. Then you can just poke a hole through your heart, or what I did was just hot glued a paper clip to the back so I can reuse the beaded banner part and remove the hearts whenever I want to. And now you have a really nice Valentine's Day, but very neutral banner. You can put this over a chalkboard. You can put it over your door, however you want to. I just really like that it can be reused. And I actually made this last year, and I continued to use the beaded banner throughout the year. I had used 2 packs of the cutout hearts. So I had 1 left over, did the same thing. Cut out my music sheets. This time I coffee stained them, regular old glue stick, and glued that down to my heart. Then the best option or best deal would be to get some of Dollar Tree's wooden hair beads for this DIY. In my opinion, you get $24, but I had a bunch of the colorful beads left over. So I just did the same thing, strung them up, spray painted them. The only difference in this DIY is 1, I did a lot less beads, and 2, I just used a little bit of wire to connect the heart to my beads. I guess three different things, because I also added a tassel at the end. But I love this because I use it as a bookmark. So this is something that would be great for decor for yourself, or as a gift to give to someone else, your book-loving friend, as a bookmark. But you could totally customize it and maybe just put someone's initial on there instead. It's a great DIY. I love the way it turned out. And we are on to the next one. So Dollar Tree sells shirts every once in a while, and I'm actually really surprised with the quality. I've bought a few of these just to do yard work and use as tank tops. They also will sell these larger cutouts like we used on the rug. We're using the smallest love size sign. Put it on your shirt and then put some type of cardboard backing behind your shirt. And then the same prickly pear I've been using this entire video, you can spray paint your shirt. And this does hold up, by the way. Think about it. Have you ever got spray paint on your clothes or anything else? It really doesn't come off. So I tried to do sort of like an ombre effect where I really focused on the love part and then feathered it down. Didn't work out super great, but the shirt turned out fine. So this is what it looks like after it's washed. I'm not a model, but I wanted to show you. I mean, it's a shirt. It works. You can wear it. But this is what it looks like on. So there we go. Thumbs up. It looks great. And we are on to the last DIY. Dollar Tree sells these stone coasters. You only get 1 for $1. So heads up, Dollar General sells 4 for $2.50, and their Christmas stuff is on sale right now. So if you can snatch up some Christmas coasters, you'll be getting them for probably like 25 cents at this point. Spray paint your coasters white. It doesn't matter if you got 4 Dollar Tree or you got a better deal at Dollar General. Then this is a free printable I made. Anytime I make a printable, I share it with you for free, and that is linked in the description. So just cut out, trace out, LOVE, kind of making it look like scramble letters, and you're going to use some Mod Podge. So the trick to getting no bubbles with Mod Podge and paper is mix water onto your brush, press down your paper, and then just take your brush, same brush. You don't need to dip it in Mod Podge again. Smooth out the lettering and the bubbles, and then you can go back if you want with another thin layer of Mod Podge. Now to keep this water resistant, you want to spray it with a clear spray paint or sometimes a sealant. I just used clear spray paint. I think I got it at Dollar General, and this has held up great. I think this is really cute for coasters or for decor. This would be a great gift. It'd be great for decor, and this is my coffee sitting on the Love coasters because it works like coasters should. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time, my friend.